Hi guys, this is Hafiz and today we are going to make straight through Ethernet cable using RJ45 style connectors. I would recommend you to watch the video carefully so you can have an idea how to properly hold, cut and crimp Ethernet cable using RJ45 connectors. So let's start right away. As you can see, we have these tools available with us: a Cat6 network cable, cable tester, RJ45 connectors, crimping tool, scissor and a wired stripping tool. If you wish to buy these tools, you can see the links of all these tools below in the description of this video. So let us start by first removing the cable PVC coating using wired stripping tool. Now separate the twisted pairs and then untwist them to get all the wires straight and nicely organized. It's time to put them on specific order, which you will see as small diagram come up on the screen later. Now while you are organizing them, make sure you hold the cables in your left hand and put the pressure with your nail so the cables will not go up and down to each other. Now try to follow my hand movement so you can well organize these cables, because as much you organize them well, it will be more easy for you to fit them in RJ45 connector. Right, let's cut off the extra length of the wires using crimping tool. Make sure you keep blade on your side, then carefully cut them less than an inch. Now hold the RJ45 connector as you see in the video. Now verify the color scheme and see all cables are reaching till the end. If everything looks fine, so you can now grab your crimping tool and slide the connector in the crimping slot as far as it will go. Once the connector is all the way in, squeeze down on the tool to crimp the connector. That's all. Now let's test the cable using the cable tester. There we go. Now you can see all the lights on tester blinking perfectly. It means both ends are perfectly made and there is no issue in our cable. If any of the light is missing, it means there is issue. I hope you get an idea how to make an Ethernet cable. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit like button.